Kay here at WTI, and this is seriously one of the most beautiful kitchen faucets I have ever laid my eyes on. That's right, that is a waterfall. How stunning is that? So this is from High Bath, and there's a few things that make this such a beautiful accessory in your kitchen. I love this gorgeous brush gold finish. It has three different stream patterns for the water. So you have your basic one with just a steady stream. If you turn it to its side, it has this gorgeous waterfall. This is my favorite when washing dishes. I find it rinses all the dishes really nicely. It's not too high pressure, just a really nice gentle stream. And then if you push this button, you have a high pressure, almost like a misty stream, but it's definitely high pressure, so great for cleaning stuck on foods. Now it doesn't end there. It also has a digital display. The coolest thing about this is it is self-charging. So the water alone charges up the display. It shows you how many minutes of usage you've used and also the temperature. It's very sensitive, so just by rotating this little dial here, you can adjust your temperature settings. It has different colors, so you can tell if it's cold, warm, or hot. So if somebody else is using the water and you want to wash your hands quickly, you know whether you're going to burn yourself or not. So that's really convenient. It is retractable, so you have a really great range of motion. I love it, especially with my big deep sink. I can reach every single corner with no issue. It was really easy to install. We have a little bit of a tight space, but other than that, it goes on super simply. It comes with everything you need. Took just a few minutes for us to get it in. So if you want to accessorize your kitchen but have it be something super functional, I think this kitchen faucet is exactly what you need. So pretty, but also so handy, and I am absolutely thrilled with it, and that's my point of view.